Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best adhesive wall hanger on the market, the Jwxstore 24-pack heavy-duty self-adhesive hooks. If you're tired of dealing with complicated installations, damaging your walls, or struggling with weak hooks, this product is designed to change the game. First off, these hooks stand out because of their unique transparent design. Unlike bulky, obvious hooks, these blend seamlessly with your walls, making them almost invisible. Whether you place them in your bathroom, kitchen, living room, or even outdoors, they offer a clean, modern look that won't detract from your home decor. One of the most impressive features of these hooks is the premium materials used. Made from high-quality stainless steel combined with durable PVC, they promise rust resistance and waterproof performance. This means you can confidently use them in humid areas like showers or kitchens without worrying about corrosion or weakening over time. They are also oil-proof, ensuring longevity even in tougher environments. Installation is a breeze with these hooks. Forget drills, screws, or messy glue. Simply clean the smooth surface, peel off the backing, and firmly press the hook onto your chosen spot. The adhesive backing is designed to stick strongly to surfaces like ceramic tile, glass, metal, wooden doors, and stainless steel. After waiting 24 hours for the adhesive to settle, you can start hanging your items right away. These hooks also feature a smart 180-degree rotation capability. This means you can adjust the hook angle to fit your space better and save room, making them versatile for a variety of hanging needs. Whether it's keys, towels, coats, or even holiday wreaths, these hooks can handle it. Speaking of strength, each hook can hold up to 33 pounds. That's heavy duty for an adhesive hook, giving you the confidence to hang heavier items securely without worrying about falls or damage. However, for long-term use, it's recommended to keep the weight below 22 pounds to ensure maximum durability. If you ever need to remove or reposition the hooks, the process is straightforward and leaves no trace behind. Simply use a hairdryer to heat the adhesive, then slowly peel the hook off the surface without causing damage or leaving sticky residue. This makes them ideal for renters or anyone who likes to redecorate frequently. The pack includes 24 hooks, providing great value and enough hooks to organize multiple areas in your home or office. The size of each hook is compact, measuring just over 2 inches, which is perfect for holding everyday essentials without being obtrusive. In summary, the Jwxstore heavy-duty self-adhesive hooks combine sleek design, strong materials, easy installation, and powerful holding capacity. They are waterproof, rust-resistant, and suitable for a wide range of smooth surfaces. Whether you need hooks for your bathroom, kitchen, or entryway, this set is a versatile solution that can help keep your space organized and stylish without any hassle. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for hassle-free, durable wall hooks that get the job done while staying invisible, the Jwxstore 24-pack is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you next time.